Best Acer monitor settings for gaming Xbox. In this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up your Acer monitor to get the best gaming experience with your Xbox console. Start by connecting your Xbox with an HDMI 2.0 cable to support high resolutions like 1 or 1080 or 4K depending on your monitor's capabilities. Set your monitor resolution to its native setting. 1080p or 140p usually works best for gaming. Adjust your refresh rate to 60 Hz or higher via your monitor's on-screen display menu if it supports it. Set brightness to about 60 to 70% to keep visuals clear without causing eye fatigue. Increase contrast to 70 to 85% to help highlight details in bright and dark areas of the game. Turn on game mode or a similar preset to reduce input lag and optimize colors for gameplay. Turn off motion blur and dynamic contrast settings to ensure stable image quality during fast scenes. Set color temperature to neutral or cool for accurate colors. Adjust sharpness around 50 to 60% for clear but natural visuals. Enable any low input lag or response time enhancements your monitor offers to reduce delay. If your monitor supports HDR, toggle it on or off depending on your game's compatibility. And that's how you optimize your Acer monitor for Xbox gaming.